In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust logo size in Surveymonkey. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Surveymonkey in your browser. From your homepage, choose the survey where you want to update the branding and click into it. We'll assume your logo is already added to the survey theme, so we can focus purely on resizing. Once you're in the survey editor, move your mouse over the logo at the top of the page. When you hover on it, you'll see editing controls appear directly on or near the logo area. Click the small pen or pencil icon to open the editing tools for that element. After you click the pen, look to the left side of your screen. A settings panel will slide open. In that panel, find the section for your logo and click on your logo thumbnail to make sure you're editing the correct image. This selects the logo block, so the size controls become available. Now under size, you'll see the available options. You can choose small, medium, large, or actual size. Here's how to decide. Small is great if you want a subtle brand presence that keeps the header minimal and leaves maximum room for your questions. Medium is a balanced option that works well for most surveys and screen sizes. Large gives your brand more prominence without overwhelming the layout, which can be ideal for short forms or when brand recognition is important. Actual size displays the image using its original dimensions. Use this when your logo file is already optimized to the exact pixel size you want, and you don't want the platform to scale it. As you click each option, you'll see a live preview on the right, so you can judge spacing and readability. A quick tip: if your logo looks blurry at larger sizes, it usually means the source image doesn't have enough resolution. In that case, pick a smaller size or replace the file later with a higher quality version. Also consider how the size affects the first screen of your survey. A logo that's too large can push questions below the fold on smaller devices. When you're happy with the selection, confirm your changes by clicking Done in the editor. This closes the logo controls and locks in your choice. Then, don't forget to save the survey itself. Click Save to make sure your updated logo size is preserved. That's it. You opened your survey, hovered over the logo, used the pen icon to edit it, selected your preferred size from small, medium, large, or actual size, clicked Done, and then saved your changes. Your logo will now appear at the new size wherever your survey is viewed.